Hi, Barbara. How you doing today?
Okay.
Good.
I was talking about that dining room set. I just brought it from someone that I play bingo with.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And I paid 200 for it. And then when I went to look at it in her house,
Uh-huh.
and that I showed the table. She showed me the table, and I said, "Oh, that's perfect. I want a glass table." And she brought in one chair from the garage.
Oh, wow.
And then I get it in the house, and all those chairs are damaged around the side.
Oh, that sucks. Oh, no.
I said, that was tricky of her.
Right?
Anyway.
Well, how was your design consultant that came to your home?
Who?
Your design consultant, the first person that came to your home with the express flooring.
The very first time?
Yeah.
Oh, he was fine.
Oh, great. And I see your floors turned out very, very nice. Very nice. And then how were the installers that came in?
What?
How were the installers that came into your home? Did they get it done efficiently?
The installers and all of them, and the girl Mary,
Uh-huh.
they were just wonderful.
Oh, great.
They were wonderful. And then in the back bedroom, that was the worst room of the whole thing.
Uh-huh.
My daughter she's in long-term care. She can't come home.
Oh,
So anyway, when they pulled the carpet up, because she had a pet bull.
Oh.
And
yeah.
And they had puppies.
Oh, so you
when
had
they
the
pulled the
old carpet
up, she said, "Oh, it smell, and we don't like to put the new carpet on that."
on the padding. Yes,
So
of course.
I went to Home Depot, and they told me to get this stuff that sprays it and everything. And so I went and got that, and she sprayed it all and everything.
Oh, great.
And it was okay.
Oh, good.
But, you know, they could have put it down, not even said anything, but they were nice enough to tell me.
Oh, that's
they
so
hate
good.
to put new carpet; it'll go right through.
Right. Yeah, and we want to make sure that your warranty sticks with
and
it.
She was here, and she made sure that they put everything back where I wanted it.
Oh, good. Yay, that's what we like to hear.
Yeah, and so she went around and she, and then there was one place there where they put the carpet together. He said, after a while, it'll go together.
Yeah, and it starts to,
So that looks okay.
Good. And it looks beautiful. It looks very beautiful.
It looks real pretty. I'm sorry they didn't pick up all that carpet on the side.
No, we'll make sure we get that too, as well as I just spoke with you about.
Yeah, because it's going to rain and it's going to be just soft.
Yeah, no, we'll get you taken care of.
Oh.
Well, thank you so much, Barbara, for having me today. I appreciate all your inputs, and you enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.